Namaste everyone. Good morning my dear students. Welcome to online class of Social Studies organized by our South Point English Public School. Today we are going to read the topic In the Pain of Others, and this one topic is from Unit 1 of Class 5. So I am going to write here the topic. It is taken from Unit 1, Lesson 5. Feel the pain of others. It is for class 5. There are two friends, one named Sujata and Vishnu. Two friends are there. Sujata and Vishnu. Both study in class 5. Both are very good friends. Sujata is very good in studies, but Vishnu is weak. Sujata got high grades in terminal examination, whereas Vishnu failed in mathematics subject. Actually, Vishnu was the only student who had failed in his class. So all his friends started to laugh and tease him. But Sujata felt very sad about it. Vishnu felt embarrassed and ashamed. With a heavy heart, he went home. He was very sad. From the next day, he stopped talking with his friends. Not only this, he even stopped playing with them. Vishnu started to stay alone and look depressed. His friend Sujata was worried about Vishnu's changed behavior. So she talked to him. Then Vishnu told everything about his problem, that even though he studied hard in all the subjects including mathematics, but still he failed. And now he was not interested to study further. This is because his friend also started to laugh and tease at his failure. But Sujata was well aware of his friend's hardworking nature. So she thought of a way to help him. They have planned to meet after school. They practiced and revised the lessons together. They did this regularly. The problems which Vishnu could not, she solved. Sujata solved his problems which Vishnu could not. And slowly Vishnu improved in his subject. By getting help from his friends, he improved in his subject mathematics. Not only this, he even passed in final examination with good marks. Now Vishnu was very happy with his results. Now all his friends also stopped teasing and laughing at him. And his friend Sujata was also very happy for him. The moral of this story is that, like Sujata, we should also help our friends when they are in trouble. We should never tease and laugh at others. Instead of that, we should encourage our friends. if our friends are in problem, then we should encourage them to get overcome from that problems. Actually, practice make a man perfect, and this has been shown by Vishnu, as he was very weak in mathematics subject. Just now we read in this lesson that he was very weak in mathematics subject. In earlier, he also failed in that subject. But by the encouragement of his friend Sujata, he improved his mathematics subjects by revising and practiced together. He also got help from his friend Sujata. Sujata also helped Vishnu to solve the problems which he could not. In this way, he improved in the subjects. So we can say that nothing is impossible if we try. So we must try to do good works. We must try to improve ourselves. The subject which we feel very difficult, very hard, we should practice. Like Vishnu practiced a lot in mathematics subject, he got improved. He got improvement. In the same way, we should also try to do. From this chapter, we learn that we should always try our best. We should never give up our problems. We should never run from our problems. If we face our problems, we can get overcome from it. We can win from that problems, as Vishnu showed in this. So, from this topic, we learn that we should feel the pain of others, as Sujata is very good in studies, whereas Vishnu is weak and also he failed. Mathematics subject. But the moral of this story is that we should encourage our friends and motivate our friends when they are in trouble. Also, we should feel pain of others. So, as the topic is also given here, feel the pain of others. I hope my all dear students will learn something from this topic. In this way, we completed our unit 1, and next week we will start our unit